What's up guys, so today I would like to show you how I made a beat using a very interesting instrument. Or to be more precise, two very interesting instruments that I'm going to show you right now. So here we are. This is instrument number one. Come on Canon, focus on this thing. And then we have instrument number two. That is this other thing, okay? They're twin brothers here. I essentially recorded the sounds of the katanas, processed the sounds and then made a beat with them, okay? Though I have a little disclaimer for you, these are not real katanas, these are just for decoration, okay? Let me give you an example. You see I'm rubbing my hand against both sides of the blade, does not cut. Let me do the same with the other. You see, they are just decoration, everything's safe. Don't do this at home. Don't do this at home. Like, you know, WWE, do you remember SmackDown? We're like, don't do this at home. And everyone, literally everyone did that. So let's get right into the video itself. Okay guys, right now we are in the computer in FL Studio and I recorded all the sounds, so let's have a listen to all the sounds without any processing, okay? Alright, these are our sounds. Now we can have a listen to all the sounds after processing. As you can see on the left side, I named each sample with their respective name. Okay, essentially just took the recording, then I cut a little bit, play with the ADSR, play with, you know, compressing, all this kind of stuff. The only interesting thing here is the melody. So let me play without the effects. I essentially took this recording, this sound, and then I detect the key, which was G in this case. Then I play with the start of the sample because it was starting at this point, and so it was kind of delayed in a way. So I play with the start, and then after that I add a couple of effects, such as EQ, wave shaper, a reverb, and a delay. And I play some chords with that sound. So let's have a listen. Then with that same sound, I create two copies. I play with different reverbs and I create a melody and a layer for the chord. So let's have a listen to the layer. And finally, let's have a listen to the melody. So another tricky part was to create an 808, a bass. So I just played a very low note of the melody, and then I looped some very low notes, and it created a kind of sine wave, super low bass. Then I added a little bit of distortion and gave this kind of bass, which is okay for this beat. So okay guys, now we have the full beat, let's have a listen. So guys, can you do me a favor? No. Can you do a favor to yourself? It would be to just leave your feedback in the comments if you can. Because if you tell me what's wrong with the video, or the parts you like the most, or you like the least, then I can fix the video and make it more entertaining for you, or make it more interesting. It's up to you, okay? Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions, please make sure to leave a comment, okay? If you don't want to, it's fine. You can leave thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't like the video. This is also feedback, and it helps me improve the quality of the channel. And if you're interested in watching more videos, it will improve your experience on the channel. Let's work together, okay? Have a nice day.